Welcome to the session of waste management. In this session, I'm going to discuss what are the chemical volume reduction technique. We'll be discussing the importance of chemical volume reduction technique in brief. That means by adding some kind of chemicals, you can stabilize the waste material, or you can some cases as soon as you are adding some external agents, you are actually like a binding agent. You might have seen that your like a waste particle will be separated by adding the chemical. Of course you can control the waste particle. Addition of chemicals or changing the temperature. Okay, then incineration is one of the most common method. Incineration is nothing but you are performing the controlled combustion of the waste material so that it will not create any pollution to the surroundings. Okay, so definitely you can reduce the volume because combustion will be taken place within the controlled condition. That is generally called as incinerator. The device is called as incinerator and the process is known as incineration. So we have different processes like a pyrolysis, hydrolysis, chemical conversion. These are the various processes which are involved for reducing the volume of chemical process. Now I would like to show you some important processes which are involved in the chemical volume reduction. As you can see, like the chemical precipitation, then neutralization. Neutralization is nothing but addition of acid and base. Okay, acid and base. Okay, suppose your your waste material is having the acidic nature. What you are supposed to do is parallelly you are supposed to add the basic material, acid and base, that will be combining and it will forms the neutralization. In the sense water will be generated apart from that some certain material. Okay, then chemical oxidation. If you perform the chemical oxidation, you can minimize the volume of waste. Then incineration with the chemical additives that I already discussed. Another one is called as solidification. For example, you need to consider the binding agents such as cement or lime or fly ash that you are supposed to add with the waste material. As soon as you are adding with the waste material, what is going to happen? It reduces the movement of the waste material. That means solidification will be taken place. Okay, if it is a so liquid type, then it becomes like a solid. Okay, another one is called as evaporation. Evaporation. So you can continuously, if it is like water, if it is like a wastewater, what you can do is you can do the evaporation process so that the solid material will be precipitated at the bottom. Other one is called as supercritical water oxidation. These are different methods. Okay, so this is actually the list of chemical methods which are applicable to control the waste, especially like the way we can perform the waste management by performing to reducing the volume or to minimize the volume of the waste material. Okay, these are the various techniques. So in this video, I discussed about the significance of chemical volume reduction. For example, we cannot go for some other method. Physically, we cannot reduce the volume. If it is like a poisonous material, we cannot do physically. Directly, we don't have any provision for direct contact. In this situation, you can directly go for chemical volume reduction. So we discussed list of chemical volume reduction such as incineration, chemical precipitation, neutralization, etc. Also, I just explain the significance of chemical volume reduction. Let me know if you have any queries. If you are watching our channel first time, I request you to subscribe and kindly share with your friends and colleagues. Also, don't forget to put the like button. And if you require similar kind of videos, kindly put up the bell button. We are doing the videos on various subjects of engineering. So thank you so much for watching our video. Happy learning. All the very best for your exam point.